How to fix Xbox One or Xbox Series XS error. This error, and I am going to show you how you can easily fix Xbox One or Xbox Series XS error. Error code on Xbox typically indicates a problem with the installation of a game or an app. Here are some steps you can try to resolve it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various issues. Press and hold the Xbox button on the front of the console for about 10 seconds until it turns off. Then turn it back on and try launching the game or app again. Ensure that your Xbox One or Xbox Series XS has the latest system updates installed. Go to Settings, System, Updates and Downloads and check for any available updates. Make sure your Xbox has enough storage space available for the game or app you are trying to launch. You can manage your storage in Settings, System, then Storage. If the issue persists, try installing and then reinstalling the game or app. Go to My Games and Apps, select the game or app, press the menu button on your controller and choose Manage Game or Manage App. From there, select Uninstall All and then reinstall the game or app. Ensure that your Xbox is connected to the internet and that your network connection is stable. Sometimes a poor internet connection can cause installation or launch issues. If none of these steps resolve the error, you may need to contact Xbox support for further assistance. They can provide more specific troubleshooting steps based on your situation.